Hey guys, welcome back to Big Rig Cleaning and happy Mother's Day. For the special day, I chose this little cute product. It's called the Angry Mama. I think that's a cute little name for it. It's actually a microwave cleaner, and I think it's a really cute little easy way to clean your microwave. So when you want to use it, you pull off the hair and the wig, and then if you look on the back, you see a vinegar fill line and a water fill line. You're gonna want to get the vinegar that you will use and fill it to about the line that it says to. I can't see. How's that? That looks just about right. And now we're gonna take her over to the sink, fill her with water. Okay, now I can see right about there. And then you turn her back around to her nice apron side. Slide on the face. And you slide her wig back on. It's a little bit jacked up, but there she is. And if you see the top, she'll release steam through those holes. That will help clean the microwave. So you just set her in, and she runs for about 7 minutes. That's what the box said. And so, and then you start it, and she will slowly release steam to clean your microwave. And because this takes 7 minutes, I'm not gonna film it all. So we'll let her clean it, and I'll be back in a minute and for the last few seconds of it, and we will wipe it and see how much cleaner it gets. And at this point, around 4 minutes or so, you can start to see the clouds of steam, especially when you look up near the light. You can see how it's the light is not as bright because the steam is slowing down the speed of light coming through. Welcome back, and there's around 5 seconds left. You can see she's finishing up her job, and when I pull her out, she will most likely either be completely empty or almost empty. Okay, so she's not too hot. She only has a wee bit left in her. Actually, she doesn't have any left in her. Now I'm gonna take a thick paper towel, just kind of wipe down and see what I can get off. Oh, that is hot. I'm gonna need the thicker rag. Whew. So, and we're gonna wipe it and get everywhere. And in the end, you should probably have a shinier inside of a microwave. Ooh, that's getting nice and clean. Top. So a microwave, it looked like it has a couple of little spots that, oh, there, that's it. So that was actually a lot easier than I thought. I thought I was gonna have to scrub a lot harder to get all that out, because you can see all the dirty chunks because I haven't cleaned the microwave in a long time. That's on you, Mom. And maybe I should wipe the glass just. And so I think this is a good product, mainly because it's basically effortless. All you have to do is add the water and vinegar and put her in, and you're basically done. And I do like the way that, whoa. Okay, and I do like the way that, it's cute. They didn't make it boring, just a boring steam that you just set in. They made it a cute, funny way of doing it. And overall, great product. This was for you. This was for all you angry mamas, and maybe some of you happy ones. This is Big Rig, keeping it clean.